So I'm here for the first fold during fermentation. And you'll notice I have kind of an unusual setup here. I have a towel. I'm just showing you as I'm taking this off. I want to make sure that my dough does not get too warm because I don't want to have a lot of gas before I get some Levain. So I'm shooting to, 75, 76 is what I'm shooting for. I've got 75 and a half temperature, which is great. Lower is better. I try not to get it too warm or I'm going to have a lot of gas production. The yeast is going to go crazy before I have a good chance to have the bacteria multiply. So I just want you to see the setup that I have. I have some towels down here wrapped around an ice pack. So I have an ice pack that I have wrapped in towels. I'm definitely trying to separate the ice pack from the bowl, but I'm making basically a small refrigerator or a small cooler. So I'm getting ready for my first fold. I'm going to show you two ways to fold the dough. The first fold is going to maybe be a new way to fold for you, and it's called a stretch and pull, or people call it different things. The second fold I do later on, I will do the one you're more familiar with, but this one is probably a little new for you. So I'm going to get my hands just a little bit wet. I don't want to have too much water, and I'm going to grab the dough and I'm going to pull. This stretching is really helping the gluten formation, and then I'm going to throw it over the top and do it again. Okay? And I'm going to turn the bowl around and do it the other way until it's all pulled off the side, and I'm pulling and stretching and allowing it to curl on top of itself. And then I'll turn the bowl 90 degrees and fold those sides under. Okay? So I have a nice smooth surface. I have stretched the dough significantly, which helps the gluten development a lot. If there's any remaining dough on the side that you weren't able to remove, you can use a scraper. Okay, that was a 2-hour fermentation. I'm going to let it go another 2 hours, and I will fold it again, and I'll use a different method. You don't need to change methods when you are doing this. I just want to be able to show you a couple different ways of doing this. Okay?